In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use line breaks in Google Sheets. This is a handy technique when you need to make your data more readable by inserting line breaks within cells. Whether it's for organization, clarity, or aesthetic purposes, learning this simple trick can make a huge difference in how your sheets look and function. First, open up your Google Sheets document and navigate to the cell where you want to insert a line break. You might be looking at a long string of text, maybe it's a list or a description, and you want to display it over multiple lines rather than in one continuous line. This isn't just about aesthetics, it can genuinely help make your data more accessible and understandable for others. Now click on the specific cell to start editing. It's important to double-click on that cell, or alternatively, you can press the Enter key, which allows you to enter your data and make any necessary changes. You'll notice that you are now in the cell's text edit mode, and you can start typing or moving your cursor to the desired location for your line break. All right, for the magic moment, we'll be using a keyboard shortcut to insert our line break. If you're on a Windows computer, simply hold down the Alt key and press Enter. If you happen to be using a Mac, the process is just as easy. Hold the Option key and then hit Enter. You'll notice that the text jumps to the next line within the same cell. This is how line breaks are effectively introduced, creating space and improving readability. Continue writing your text on the new line, and feel free to repeat the process if you require more line breaks in the same cell. Line breaks are particularly useful when your data input requires separation or distinct points to stand out within a single cell. It could be multiple items in a list, distinct paragraphs, or simply data points that need to appear separately without the use of a new cell. Once you've inserted all the line breaks you need and are satisfied with how the data is displayed, you can exit the edit mode of the cell by clicking outside of it or pressing Enter. Viewing your tidy multi-line text in Google Sheets brings a sense of satisfaction, doesn't it? It not only looks organized, but also enhances the user experience for those interacting with your data. Before we wrap up, let me share a quick tip. While line breaks are a great formatting tool, remember to use them sparingly to maintain clarity. Overuse might make cells look cluttered and counterproductive to your goal of readable data. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert line breaks in Google Sheets to create cleaner, more structured data presentation. Experiment with this technique and see how it transforms your workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.